Hey, hello traders, welcome back to the Aspiring Trader YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see the swing stocks for the upcoming week, that is from 27 September onwards. So let's get started. Before we move on to the next week's stocks, we are going to review our previous week's stocks. So the first stock was Venkis India. It was recommended around 3060. The current market price is 2% down and 2.5% down, and it made a high of 2.78% out of the recommended price. Stock still looks good for the short term. You can definitely hold or you can definitely add at the current market price. So the next stock is Century Textiles. The stock was recommended around 850 and the current market price is 12% up from the recommended price and it made a high of 13.53%. The stock definitely is looking very good and you can ride the trend, but there might be profit booking, so you can add on dips until 885 levels. Stock might retrace until this level and then it can again rally. The next stock is Crisil Limited. It was recommended around 2912. The current market price is 1.7% down from the recommended price. It is nothing to worry. It is in a consolidation mode. The stock can rally in the upcoming weeks. You can add to the current market price. So the final stock is Chonafin. It was recommended around 606. The stock actually came out of a huge consolidation phase and it failed to take the support, however, but the volumes on the downside are not so huge. So let's wait for the price action to develop. But still, the overall view looks good. You can definitely have a good bit on this for the short term. So now let us move on to the next week's stocks. So the first stock for next week is Container Corporation. Before analyzing the stock in weekly time frame, let me move into monthly time frame because I have some key observations there. In monthly time frame, the first key observation is the stock has given a multi-year breakout. So if you see, this is a multi-year breakout candle with a huge volume. Why I'm saying multi-year breakout is the stock has been trading inside this price range. Let me mark the range for you. The stock has been trading inside this Darvas box from June 2014 until May 2021, which is 7 long years of consolidation and a breakout from the Darvas box with a very good volumes, which means there is a very huge buying interest present in the stock at the current market price, and the stock can perform really good in the short term. Now, if you see, the second key point is the volume. The breakout volume, if you see, it has been the highest for the stock after listing, which means again it is confirming the buyer interest in the stock. So let us move to the weekly time frame now. In weekly time frame, if you see the resistance level, it has been so strong that whenever the stock is trying to break it, it has been rejected from here. Again, here one rejection, here multiple rejections, and if you see in recent times, the stock has been consolidating near the resistance level and finally given a very huge breakout. This type of consolidation near the resistance level is definitely a good sign for stock and it can rally really good. So if you go on to daily time frame, you will observe the stock after the breakout. This is a breakout candle, and after the breakout the stock has been forming a descending triangle pattern, and again the stock is broken out of the descending triangle with a huge volume. And if you see, during the retracement the volumes have dropped. See the volume during the breakout, it is around 24 million, and if you see the average volume here, it's been drying up. So, which indicates that there are no bearish pressure in the stock, and the bulls have taken control here again. If you see the volume during the breakout, and the stock has again retested the descending triangle trend line, and it is looking very good at the current market price, and it can definitely rally. And it can generate good amount of returns in a short period of time. So the next stock is Grandville Norton. So let us switch over to the weekly time frame to get a even clear picture of how the stock is performing in the longer time frame. So if you see the stock, this is a huge consolidation region, and this is a resistance the stock has been trying to break during this level. The stock has been consolidating from November 2017 until December 2020, which is 3 long years of consolidation. And once the stock has broken out of that very good resistance level, on retest, the volumes have picked up, and the stock has been rallying really good until May. And after May, the stock again went into the consolidation mode from May until August, and finally the stock has broken out of 3-4 months of consolidation with a good volume and a very good candle, and the stock has also retested the breakout levels and currently available at a very good price to enter. So if you switch over to the daily time frame, you'll get a clear picture. From May, the stock has been forming ascending triangle kind of a pattern, and then it is broken out with a very good volume. If you see the average volumes, this is average volume, and if you see the volume spike here, indicates the breakout is really good. But a little bit of selling has come in here. But if you switch over to Harley Harley time frame, you will see that is not a wick, that is just a retracement to this level. So which means the stock is definitely doing good, and this should have been a better place to enter, but still you can enter it here, and you have to have a stop loss below this, or based on risk appetite. But the stock is definitely looking good to go long at the current market price. Also, if you notice, during the retracement, the volumes have dried up. That is the key thing you have to note in the stocks which you're going to enter. So yeah, you can enter the current market price. So the next stock we're going to discuss is Tata Motors. Let me switch over to the weekly time frame to analyze the stock. So if you see in the weekly time frame, the Tata Motors have formed a double top kind of pattern in the 2016, and from there the stock has fallen quite heavily, and it has bottomed out at this level 65 levels during the COVID times, that is March 20, and from there the stock has again reversed, and from here stock has been forming a higher high pattern, and this has been a very good support for the stock previously, and once it broke out, it turns out to be a good resistance level, and the stock has retested the resistance level and tried to come out, but still it failed and it fell even more. And when here it broke out of the key levels with a very huge volume, and it has retested the levels as well. Also, the stock has been taking support at this levels multiple times, which implies this is a very huge support zone, that is demand zone here. Also, this is a previous swing high. The stock is trying to break the previous swing high. It took the resistance again, and it has been trading inside this range from February until now, because this has been a previous support, and it has now turned into resistance. So now let me switch over to daily time frame to discuss why I have picked this stock. If you see, the stock has been in range from February, and if you see in daily chart, this has also been a good resistance level. So stock has been getting a quite a bit of resistance, one, two, three, four, 4 to 5 times it has been rejected here, and it has been forming kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it has broken out of that as well. And if you see clearly, the stock has also broken out the downward trend line, and it has retested the breakout levels. So this can be a very good entry for the stock, and you can expect a target of 363 in your short-term trading. Swing or positional depends upon your trading style. So definitely the stock is looking good. Auto sector also can perform in the upcoming weeks. So have the stock in your radar. So the next stock we are going to see is Sira Sanitary Ware. Let me again switch over to the weekly time frame. So if you see, the stock has been falling from Jan 18 until September 20. So from here the stock has reversed, and it has broken out of this downward trend line as well. It's broken out and retested the level, and from there the stock has been rallying really well. If you see from here, the stock has now given around 126% returns from this level. So also, if you switch over to the daily time frame, if you see, the stock has been consolidating in the ascending triangle pattern, and once it is broken out, it is retested multiple times this level, and again from here it is kind of a triple bottom structure in daily chart, and it is again given a very huge breakout. Look at the volumes here. So definitely you can have this stock in your radar, but do not chase this stock. You can wait for the stock to retrace back to this breakout level, and then you can take a trade. The stock is definitely looking good, so add the stock in your radar. Only enter around these levels. Don't chase breakouts, because here this is where you will have the very good risk and reward. Your stop loss will be less, and your reward can be more. So the next and the final stock is McDowell's United Spirits. Let me switch over to the weekly time frame to get a clear picture of how the stock is doing. So in weekly time frame, if we see, there are multiple rejection levels at this place and this place. This is a huge resistance, and this is also been acting as a huge resistance. So the stock has been trying to break these levels multiple times. One time here, two time here, and third time also it got rejected, and the fourth time it has broken out of the level with a huge volume, and also a good candle close above this level. Also, if you see, after this, this is the final resistance level for the stock. So this level has been even stronger because it has rejected 4 times here and 2 times here, and then finally it has broken out after 6 times rejecting from that level. And if you see, the breakout has happened with back of huge volumes. So definitely there's a buying interest in the stock. And if you see, the stock has been taking support from the ascending triangle trend line, bottom trend line, which indicates the stock is not willing to go lower. And let me switch over the daily time frame. If you see, stock has been in a range, and the volumes, if you see in recent times, it has been definitely average volumes are this, and look at the volumes here. Definitely it is showing some good signs of buying. You can definitely benefit from the short term. Don't chase the stock at this level because it has given a multi-year breakout at this level, and you'll have to wait for a retracement to happen, and then you can take the trade. And finally, one more point I have noticed is that the stock is definitely giving a multi-year breakout, 6 years of consolidation and a breakout. It's also a monthly breakout candle, so wait for the candle to close, September month candle to close above this level, and then definitely the stock can rally in short term, and you can make a good amount of money in the stock. If you like this content, do give a thumbs up, and if you want more such videos, do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our weekly stock updates and other educational content we post on our channel. So thank you for watching and happy trading.